Well, we have arrived at the Mid-American Truck Show for the first day. It's Thursday, and people are just getting set up. We're here a little bit earlier because Landstar has a thing they do in the morning, and they give us breakfast and everything. But the truck show doesn't start for a couple hours. But here it is from the outside.
Black smoke and white line, steel horses side by side. It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy-up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James, a modern-day outlaw game.
Here we're actually outside the main entrance of the Expo Center. And we've already gotten started. There's some Western Star truck. Well, it looks like some dump trucks over there. Most of this is advertising stuff. You see Hal's. Page has some nice looking trucks over there. Triumph Financial has barbecue going on. I think about lunchtime I'm gonna have to see what that's all about. Well, they got some more food trucks out there. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. So we're gonna head inside here. I know Roadworks is inside here, and they're one of my favorites. If you look back through my YouTube videos, you know. And here inside, let's see what I can buy. Now we're here at the Bennett stand where they supporting women in the driver's seat. The women in trucking is back there. Yeah, check this out. And I wouldn't expect any less from a Bennett truck. I mean, this is what Bennett trucks are. And this beautiful stuff. What is this? This is a Kenworth. It's a, yeah, 600, but all the military logos up there. And then the women from the women in the driver's seat, Bennett's women in the driver's seat. See Tony Justice's war paint sticker down there. Alright, so at the North Wing main entrance, this is just the lobby here. Let's see what we got in here. A whole bunch going on in there. There's a St. Christopher Fund over there. Different parts. Yeah. Let's go check out some of the cool stuff on the other side at Roadworks. Yeah, I've got a pretty good overhead view here of the North Lobby. Right down there is Roadworks. You can see the SCI steering wheel stand over there. People in there, tools, other stuff. It's just a very small section of what we're going to see today. So I think we're ready to head into the main show. Yeah, here we are at Tony Justice's booth, and we were lucky enough to get in here early enough. The man himself is here. So in case you don't know Tony Justice music, the intro to this video was Tony Justice music, Last of the Cowboys song. And here's all the CDs. Here in the future, I'm going to do a video of the time I got to run down the road with him. But yeah.
Thanks, Tony.
There you go.
$5. You're welcome.
I definitely gotta get a picture with him. He remembers me. Yeah, you guys get on past me. Landstar.
Yeah, it's only like a Friday, late Friday night, right?
It was, yeah, we were coming up, and yeah, a guy who drives for me, he was driving because we were team running because his truck was down, and we were coming up. We came through Memphis. We actually met you in Knoxville. He came up past me. You had just got the last of Cowboys. You had just got the last of Cowboys bumper put on. Because I saw it coming up in the mirror, and I was like all lit up in red.
In the mirror,
yeah, I saw it coming up. I was like, I think that's Tony Justice coming up here. Yeah.
That's a dead giveaway.
Yeah. I also was the one getting a hold of you on Facebook to ask permission to use your songs in the YouTube videos. So we've been using them on everything, and I had to check the copyright stuff. We got an intro now that uses the last of Cowboy. Every short we do uses the Tony Justice song. Except for the one that says you can buy me a boat. But that was that was a big boat.
Well, yeah, I always tell people, like, yeah, use it. That's, to me, that's number one. It's an honor. People want to use your music.
Absolutely.
And stuff, and it helps promote the music. So
Absolutely.
Use it.
Well, anytime we can promote your music, that's the only guy who still does trucking music. So.
Well, we've been blessed.
Is Leo Martin still in this?
He is, but I think he's kind of retired.
Yeah, I haven't heard him do anything.
But yeah, you got Paul Moore off through. He's out making some really cool trucker stuff. Bill Weaver.
Oh,
a few other people.
I'll have to check him out.
Yeah, check him out. So, you got to keep it alive, man. Trucking, industry deserves music about it. It's that more strong grit about it than any industry.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I can't think of anything else.
It's a pretty big honor of my life to try to keep that going. Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's good to see you
All right.
guys.
Well, hey, we appreciate it, Tony. And I know you've got a busy day. We can't wait to see you in concert tomorrow. So.
It's going to be fun. We look forward to seeing you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks a lot, Tony.
Yes, take care.
Right across these plains and prairies, rocky mountain highs, fade off into the distance like ghost riders in the sky. Black smoke and white line, steel horses side by side. It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the roads, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. Third time generation, a little old school salvation. Blazing trails across this nation, sea to shining sea. We're the last, we're the last, we're the last of the cowboys. We're the last of the cowboys. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up go boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed, rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw game. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. Modern day outlaw game. We're the last of the cowboys. We're the last of the cowboys. Saddle up, boys. Now, bring it on in there, son. A breaker 19, that's a big 10-4. Got the pedal to the metal, foot flat on the floor. More chrome and chicken lights than you ever saw. Looks like a neon circus crossing Arkansas. On the west coast, turn around, headed to that shaky town, rolling on through the night. Big stack, smoke, black seats, slam, laid back, pulled out laws and white lines. It's a hammer lane freight train, dodging scales, no shame. shame, chasing that sunset down. Just a good old boy convoy, making noise in large toys, West Coast turnaround. Got a Kojak in the middle at the 33. With his Kodak shooting pictures in his SUV. Better brush your hair, y'all, and comb your teeth. Stay cool on your stool until the light turns green. On the West Coast turnaround, headed to that shaky town, rolling on through the night. Big stack, smoke, black seats, slam, laid back, old outlaws and white lines. It's a hammer lane freight train, dodging scales, no shame, chasing that sunset down. Just a good old boy convoy, making noise in large toys, West Coast turn around. I'll put it in a big old boy. On the West Coast turn around, heading to that shaky town, rolling all through the night. Big stack, smoke, black seats, slam, laid back, old outlaws and white lines. It's a hammer lane freight train, dodging scales, no shame, chasing that sunset down. Good old boy convoy, making noise in large toys, West Coast turn around. It's a big stack, smoke, black seats, slam, laid back. Good old boy convoy, making noise in large toys, West Coast turn around. Out here on this highway, rolling on now 20 years. Just like my dad before me, coffee, blood, sweat, and tears. I'm addicted to the white line, a prisoner of the road. Ain't no cure for this disease, it brings us outlaws and rogues. When they locked me up, they handed me the keys. I'm pulling 18 years of life, no chance of parole. My heart belongs to Jesus, but this highway owns my soul. It's a crime, I'm doing time, just to send it on down the line. I'm pulling 18 gears, 18 gears, 18 gears of life. Some say I'm semi-crazy, my God, it's hard to tell. This diamond tuck and leather just might be my padded sail. Those pictures on my dashboard where I've watched my kids grow up, I thank God they understand the cost of diesel in my blood. They know this rambling man and what sets me free. I'm pulling 18 years to life with no chance of parole. My heart belongs to Jesus, but this highway owns my soul. It's a crime, I'm doing time, just to send it on down the line. I'm pulling 18 gears, 18 gears, 18 gears of life. No chance of parole. My heart belongs to Jesus, but this old highway owns my soul. It's a crime, I'm doing time, just to send it on down the line.